This video is sponsored by PCB. Learn more in the video description below. Hi guys, so in this video I will solder the mutantC version 4's main PCB and also the thumbstick PCB, and along the way I will give you some tips for troubleshooting, also for a sequence to solder, so you can avoid and also detect if there is a problem on your soldering joints. So first of all, thanks PCB for sending me this nice black PCB. The writing on the PCB is much clearer and crisp, so it's easier to see which part goes where. So first I will solder the display header, the display FPC and the header for the Raspberry Pi. Then I will see if the connection joints are okay by connecting the display. Then I will move to ESP32, then the power with the USB-C connector, then we will move to the buttons, then other things. So it's that way, if there's a problem you can detect it much easier. So I hope you will get some idea about like which way and which component you should solder first, and get a working main PCB and thumbstick PCB. So I similarly soldered the display. It's for the demo. I don't want to use it for other purpose because I used a mail header just to see if the connection are right or not. So right now I will go to ESP32, then solder this header. So I soldered the ESP, then I will solder the header, the buttons, and the capacitor and the resistor. So for the button, you should take a plier and cut off like horizontally, put it like this and cut off. Yeah, so now it's easy to solder. Same I'll do for this. So I soldered the capacitor and resistor and two buttons and the header pin to connect to upload the code. So take a USB to TTL connection. Just remember to switch to 3 volt, not 5 volt. So you need a 3 volt one. So just check. So the data pins, the name are mentioned here. I don't know, you can see that. So 3 volt to 3 volt, TX to RX, RX to TX, and the ground. Then connect to the computer and try to upload the code. See if it uploads, then you will know if the soldering of the ESP32 is correct. Now we will move on to the power. So this one, and populate this one, then I will connect the one. I want to solder this part because first I want to see if also connect populate this one and try to see if all the things are working or not. So you saw like I soldered the USB-C connector using my iron. You don't need a heating plate or something to solder this, just need patience. Yeah, so I soldered this and connected the one because I won't solder in this right now. I want to see like if the USB-C connector is connected well. So I just took a USB-C. See, it's working. So that means the USB-C connector is connected well. So right now I will move to this part, then I will check the switching part of the whole circuit. So right now I will populate all the buttons, 60 54 buttons. So here are all the buttons. So first thing you should remember, like, cut off this, like with a flat head, just cut off this part and this part, those two. Then you will get like this. Yeah, then it's easy to solder. Yeah, so I will cut off all the buttons. So we finished the soldering. I know I didn't solder the RTC and this because it will be a long video if I do this and that and also this. I think you can follow the sequence. First solder this one, then check out if the power is working, then go to this one, then see if RTC is working with the battery connected, then you will solder this. So this is, I hope this video helped you to solder the main PCB easily and troubleshoot easily. And really thanks to PCB for their nice board. The writing in the PCB are really good, so it's much easier to recognize the which part goes where, as I said before. And you can order this PCB from PCB 5 or 10 pieces with $5, so it's much cheaper and the quality is very good. Thanks for PCB for sending me the PCBs. So this is our main PCB. So I hope you guys like the video and share it and add some comments. It will help me a lot, and I will see you in next video. Thanks.